Yep, it's me, Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage, coming to you with another installment of Mortgage, Real Estate, and Life. Today we're talking about mortgage, of course, because last week FHA made this announcement where they're reducing the factor for calculating monthly mortgage insurance from 85 basis points to 55 basis points, with a savings of anywhere between, say, $65 a month and, say, $130 per month, depending on the purchase price. Huge savings. Anybody purchasing, say, I'm going to give you an example, a $500,000 house at the old payment would now be $515,000 on the new payment. So your purchasing power increased $15,000. That is a huge savings. When does this happen? March 20th, 2023. If your loan's funded March 20th or after, you get to experience the savings. That's pretty cool, right? So that's all I got. But I do want to do one thing. If you're watching this on LinkedIn or Facebook or got texted to you or you're on YouTube, do me a favor. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are all kinds of videos in there from the past on all kinds of different subjects. It could be mortgage, it could be real estate, it could be life, any of a number of topics. I'm trying to build my subscribership up and I need your help. So if you could please do that, it'd be super awesome. So you can reach me at 916-730-4402. You can check me out at jimhanson.net on the web, or you can shoot me a text. Either way. All right. So anyway, that's what I have. Have a super awesome rest of your day. And thanks so much for watching. Take care.